Hello and welcome again to the Counterman Education Center. We're joined by Eric, and Eric, I have a question for you that I encounter a lot. I have a customer who has a burned out bulb. They only want to replace that bulb. Why should they replace more than one bulb?
Well, there's a couple of different ways to look at it, but as a technician, I always recommend to replace bulbs in pairs. And the reason why is one, a bulb is like any other part on a car. They wear. Even though it seems like if they don't slow down or start making noise, they work right up to the point where they don't. But if you look at the bulb, the filament inside wears over time as it heats and cools. It becomes brittle. The contacts can get worn at the base of the bulb. So if one bulb burns out, it's a pretty safe bet that the other one isn't too far behind. And so the other aspect to it is, as a technician, if you're replacing whether it's a headlight bulb, a brake light bulb, or even a turn signal bulb, whatever it is, when you replace one side, there's certain tools you need to do that job, whether it's screwdriver, socket, whatever it may be. So you're already halfway there to replacing the other side. So it's much more efficient from a technician standpoint and a labor standpoint. You're already doing one, let's do them both. And then the customer isn't back in a couple of days because the other one burned out.
Right. Makes perfect sense. Eric, thanks so much. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.